China has been making waves in the AI industry, and the latest breakthrough comes from Deepseek, a cutting-edge AI model that's setting new benchmarks in performance and capability. From outperforming global competitors to redefining what AI can achieve, Deepseek is proving that China is a dominant force in artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll explore how Deepseek is changing the game and what its success means for the future of AI. Part 1. The rise of Deepseek, a new AI contender. Deepseek emerged as a powerful large language model (LLM) developed by a team of top AI researchers in China. Designed to compete with the likes of OpenAI's GPT-4 and Google's Gemini, Deepseek quickly gained attention for its exceptional reasoning, coding abilities, and multilingual fluency. But what makes it stand out? Part 2. Benchmark dominance, outperforming the competition. Recent evaluations show Deepseek topping global AI rankings in key areas like mathematical problem-solving, solving complex equations with high accuracy, code generation, writing and debugging software better than many human developers, language understanding, mastering nuanced conversations in multiple languages. This performance puts Deepseek among the world's most advanced AI models, proving China's rapid progress in the field. Part 3. Deepseek's secret weapon, efficiency and scalability. Unlike some Western models that require massive computing power, Deepseek is optimized for efficiency. It delivers top-tier results while being more cost-effective and accessible, making it a practical choice for businesses and developers. Part 4. Real-world applications, how Deepseek is being used. Deepseek isn't just a research project. It's already being deployed in healthcare, assisting in medical diagnostics and research, finance, powering smart trading algorithms and risk analysis, education, providing personalized tutoring in multiple languages, software development, automating coding tasks for engineers. Part 5. The future. What's next for Deepseek? With continuous upgrades, Deepseek is expected to expand into robotics and autonomous systems, integrate with China's tech ecosystem like Huawei and Alibaba Cloud, challenge US AI dominance in global markets. Conclusion: a new era in AI leadership. Deepseek's success marks a pivotal moment in AI development, showcasing China's ability to innovate and compete at the highest level. As the AI race heats up, Deepseek is proving that the future of artificial intelligence is not just Western-dominated. China is here to lead. What do you think? Will Deepseek become the world's top AI model? Let us know in the comments.